As many are of that opinion, say aye. As many are of a contrary opinion, say nay. The ayes have it.
In 14 days, the election amendment bill will become law if the president fails to assent to it. The law requires that within this period, the bill is either signed into law or returned to Parliament with a memo containing the president's concerns, failure of which, by operation of the law, it automatically becomes law. The president has been vocal about the bill, which he says is good for the country. He, however, stated today that he will take his time before performing his statutory obligation to sign it into law.
Bunge litatengeneza sheria za kutatua mizozo ya uchaguzi, lakini kwa wakati unaofaa.
But the journey to this bill that may just be law has not been easy, with opinions regarding its enactment divided right in the middle, fueled by political inclinations and affiliations. Pundits, however, agreed that the timing was suspect. It seeks to amend electoral laws, albeit its proposals contentious and with far-reaching implications.
I support the amendment so that anybody who plays around with the voter gets the consequences.
The government side, however, is fully behind it, noting that the move to amend was informed by the Supreme Court decision that annulled the presidential election held in August.
Maybe 20 years, 30 years from now, we might not be, our children will use it. If another candidate like Honorable Raila Odinga withdraws in 30 years, what will happen?
The opposition, however, is faulting him and the whole process that led to its passage in Parliament. Senator James Orengo says the bill, when law, has the potentials of clawing back on the gains achieved so far.
I think this is, if you read the amendment together with what the IBC is trying to do, we're in a worse situation than when we were during the kind of days, particularly when Mulolongo was the order of the day insofar as the elections are concerned.
But as he takes his time to consider the bill, the president signed the supplementary budget, which will now appropriate 10 billion shillings that will go into the organization of the October 26th repeat election, and allocates 25 billion shillings to go into the free primary education kitty that kicks off in January next year. Ken Mijungu, NTV.